with the opening up of the domestic Chinese market, we are seeing a whole lot of pure Chinese opportunities being made available for investors. So on the back of that demand and supply dynamic, we decided to launch this fund. Well, for this particular fund or particular strategy, we are focusing on the domestic-oriented Chinese companies whose shares are listed in Shanghai, Shenzhen, and Hong Kong, and a small part of them in the US ADR space, and they're becoming more available and accessible to institutional investors globally. Well, quite clearly, well, with the underlying growth momentum, albeit slowing down somewhat recently, but still, it's a huge domestic consumer market, and from technology advancement and financial market opening point of view, it creates a lot of opportunities for institutional investors overseas. Well, from a thematic point of view, the domestic Chinese consumer is attractive. In the old days, as I said, when we only looked at the Hong Kong market, it has now become so small and limited. Now that the whole domestic consumer market is being made available, so that creates a lot of opportunities. Innovation in terms of technology, a lot of Chinese tech companies, many of them are no strangers to global investors anyway. The shares are becoming accessible. We're actually looking at traditional business, for example, retail, banking, and so on, that are increasingly using information technology to revamp the business models to create new franchise value, and therefore making their shares even more attractive to investors. Yeah, the whole what we call the consumption upgrade is a powerful and sustainable theme, and under which you have many interesting subsectors, from the traditional food and beverages and retailing, department stores, home appliances, and to a lesser extent pharmaceutical. They can be treated as candidates under this new consumption theme. Well, our resources, I'm proud to say that we probably have one of the largest China-focused research teams in the market. There are more than 30 China-focused investment professionals within Value Partners, analysts, portfolio managers, traders, all together. Amongst the 30 plus of us, 7 of them sit in our Shanghai office, focusing on the domestic A-share space, whereas the 20 plus are in Hong Kong. There's no shortcut to successful investing. Basically, it's all hard work, and the 30 plus of us, every day we are on the road, visiting companies, doing due diligence, and performing research and analysis.